Hey guys, welcome to my channel. So today we are going to be tackling this very messy closet. This is something I've been wanting to do for a very long time now, but for some reason I have just not got around to it. The holidays are approaching and it is time to get busy. So I hope you enjoy this extreme declutter of my closet. So let's get started. So the first thing I want to do is actually go through and kind of take everything out that has just been bothering me for the longest time. I cleaned everything off the floor just so I could get in there and vacuum and organize things. So that's what I'm doing right now, is cleaning up the floor so I can actually get in the closet, walk around, and actually clean it out. So I didn't realize how many pair of shoes I actually owned. I own a lot more than I thought. The funny thing is I don't wear half of them. So I'm going to go through and try to organize and see which ones I really want to keep and which ones I just need to let go of. So these are the ones I decided to keep because I wear these the most often, and the next pile you'll see are the ones I'm donating. Now it's time to tackle the top shelf. This is the one I have been looking most forward to. You guys, I have so many clothes up here that I have not even gotten down since we moved in this house like 3 years ago, so definitely time to declutter. I was actually shocked at the amount of pants and jeans that I actually had on the top shelf. I've not worn some of these since my 13-year-old was born. Why am I holding on to these? I have no idea. I honestly should have counted how many pairs I actually got rid of, because I only really kept maybe 5, and that's really sad, I know. But yeah, time to purge these clothes, and I feel so good just even watching this back with you guys right now. Just getting rid of them and getting that space back in my closet is going to be so nice. If you don't follow us on our family channel, and this is actually the first time you're seeing me, please say hello down below so I can welcome you, and I'm so happy you're here. So now I'm going to go through all the hanging clothes on my side of the closet and get rid of anything that I've not worn or I don't care for anymore. There's a lot of older pieces in here that I've just hung on to for thinking, you know, maybe I'll wear that again. And yeah, the years have passed and they haven't left the hanger. So they're going to leave today because it's time to get rid of them. How often do you actually go through and declutter and get rid of clothes? I know I don't do it as often as I should. I'm going to try to get better at it, but let me know down below. My goal is to eventually have all matching hangers. I would love to do that, just haven't took the time to do it, but I will eventually. So right now I'm gonna kind of go through, save all the ones I really want to keep, get rid of all the like store hangers or metal hangers, things I know I'm not gonna use again. And I'm just gonna transfer any clothes I took off the old hangers to some of these just to make it look a little neater. I will go back and actually get all matching ones. That is my goal eventually. Now I'm actually going to go through the clothes and kind of color coordinate them. It's not going to be perfect, and that's totally fine. I just want to make it look a little neater. I think I did pretty good. I got rid of some things I definitely don't use anymore. Moving on to my husband's side of the closet, I'm not going to do a whole lot on his side. He actually wants to go through and kind of organize and get rid of. I did talk him into getting rid of a few pair of shoes that I know he hasn't worn in forever. So I did do that, but for the most part, I'm just going to kind of straighten up his side and make it look a little better. And definitely remove everything because we have got to vacuum in this closet. Are you ready for the reveal? Here we go. It looks so much better. I am blown away. It looks like we just moved in the house. And I'm going to try really, really hard to keep it this way. There's no guarantees because I am a busy mom, but we can always try to keep it organized, at least for a little bit. So let me know down below if you guys have any tips for keeping your closet organized, and I have a lot more areas of the house I want to get to, but this is a one small step and I'm so excited to have it completed. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please like, comment, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you next time.